If your car is making rattling sounds while accelerating, here are some troubleshooting steps you can take. Check for loose parts and tighten any bolts or clamps that are loose. Inspect the exhaust system for holes or cracks, and tap it with a rubber mallet to identify any loose or damaged components. Check the shocks, struts, and springs in the suspension system for signs of wear or damage. Look for worn engine mounts that can cause vibrations and rattling sounds. Have a mechanic inspect and repair the transmission if the rattling sounds are coming from it. Once you've identified the cause of the rattling sounds, you can take steps to fix the problem, such as tightening loose parts, replacing damaged components, or insulating the source of the noise. It's important to address rattling sounds in your car promptly, as they can be a sign of serious problems.